Asus is gearing up for CES 2026, and the company has just teased another intriguing addition to its upcoming laptop lineup. This time, the spotlight is on a refreshed ProArt PX13, one that signals a clear shift in design, branding, and potentially functionality. Let's break down what Asus has revealed so far and what it could mean for creators. Over the past few weeks, Asus has repeatedly confirmed its presence at CES 2026 in Las Vegas, promising a wide range of new devices. Early teasers pointed toward gaming-focused innovations before the company surprised many by revealing a radically redesigned ZenBook Duo set to debut at the show. Now, Asus has hinted at yet another laptop joining its CES lineup, one aimed squarely at creative professionals. Asus has provided a first look at the next-generation ProArt PX13, and it's immediately clear that this is not a standard refresh. Unlike the minimalist, all-black design of the current 13-inch ProArt model, the upcoming version embraces a more expressive aesthetic inspired by Asus's partnership with GoPro. Visible GoPro branding takes center stage, complemented by a series of vertical lines across the chassis, design cues that closely resemble recent GoPro action cameras. It's a bold departure from the traditional ProArt look. Beyond the visuals, Asus has confirmed a dedicated GoPro shortcut button on the new ProArt PX13. While the company hasn't explained exactly how this button functions, it strongly suggests deeper workflow integration for GoPro users, potentially streamlining media imports, editing, or camera control. At this stage, Asus is keeping functionality details under wraps, leaving plenty of room for speculation ahead of CES. Internally, the picture is just as intriguing. Asus has not disclosed whether the ProArt PX13 GoPro Edition will feature new hardware compared to the current AMD Strix point-based model. However, with recent leaks pointing to AMD's Ryzen AI 9HX470, a shift to a Gorgon Point platform seems increasingly likely. If true, this could bring meaningful performance and AI-focused upgrades tailored for creators. For now, the ProArt PX13 2026 remains a carefully controlled teaser, but one that hints at a more specialized, creator-centric direction for Asus's ProArt lineup. With CES 2026 just around the corner, we won't have to wait long to see what Asus has planned. Stay tuned for full specs, hands-on impressions, and all the major announcements straight from Las Vegas.